In today's Project GR86 video, I will be installing TRD door stabilizers. I chose to go with the TRD door stabilizers because of the fact that TRD claims it stiffens the chassis. They claim that it stiffens up the way the door meets the body here. It stiffens it together and makes it more solid, claiming it will make better handling. Now, I'm not sure of that. I know on Miatas, on all the generations of Miatas, they have the door striker, and then down in here they have a thing built into the door and into the door frame around it here, a rubber, and they kind of hook the door together more. So I know it's a theory in the Miata world, just not sure about this theory of it tightening it up here, making the chassis flex less. For this install, you will need a Phillips number 3 or a JIS number 3, a torque bit driver that'll go on a socket style in a T30 and a T40, a 3/8 inch ratchet with some extensions, and optional is a impact driver. You will remove this with your impact and your Phillips size 3. They're on very tight, that's why you need an impact to remove these. You will be installing this striker with the new included bolt style screws that are T30s, or with T40s I mean. Will go on here like this, and then you will have a plate that goes on the door side that's plastic like this. You will reuse the screws from that. This, I recommend using blue Loctite on this side. Comes out awful fast, so if you're a better man than me, maybe you can use less. I just overdid it, I believe. This is the hard part, is holding this dang thing open and getting it to start with your fingers. Looks like there's no slop either way. It just goes on. It'll line itself up because of the heads it's got. Just muscle it down as tight as you can get it. That's what I did. And again, it'll slide back and forth just like this. And then now, on this side, there's the 3 bolts here. You're only going to remove 2, the top and the bottom, with your T30. They're not on very tight. Save those to the side. You will reuse those. This piece right here will go on like so. It has these little levelers to them, little indents that'll go in the hole here. But first I'm going to put a little bit of red Loctite on these. Red, not blue. This stuff is a gel. I like the gel the best. Sometimes it's hard to find. Just muscle it down like it was. Of course, they don't go very tight. Then you got these little guys here. And one says A and one says B. You see these little tabs that receive right here? Well, you'll have some little tabs right here. A goes at the bottom. There'll be a circle with a letter on it. It just slides in place. B goes at the top. Check, make sure everything was tight on the other side. Wish I had a before clip. I didn't get one, but it sounds like it's shutting a lot more solid when it shuts. It's been a few days since I've installed the TRD door stabilizers, and I'm not sure if it did much with handling. If it did, it was very minute. It may be a placebo effect that you feel after installing them. The one thing I really did notice was the opening and shutting of the doors. I think it gives that more premium look or feel when you open and shut the doors, because of the strikers here and this here coming together. I believe these come together and it's tighter. Just the sound opening and shutting. I don't believe before it had as loud of a thump when the door opened. I've heard that BMWs have a similar door striker, so maybe there's a reason why BMW chooses to do it on their vehicles. Who knows? Would I say go ahead and get this mod? Do I recommend it? Sure, if you're wanting something inexpensive around $100-ish and you want to get the full TRD catalog, but you don't have to get these if you don't want to. Like I said, it could be a placebo effect. I don't know if I felt any better handling. I just noticed that it's more premium with the way the door's shut. I would like to thank you for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, treat others how you would want to be treated. Have a good week.